It is with immense pride and gratitude that I welcome you to this program dedicated to recognizing the pinnacle of legislative performance. Welcome to the Local Legislative Awards. Mabuhay, Camarines Sur. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you very much.
Running through your veins when they said your life will never be the same. Hey there, champion, bet you're gonna win this fight.
Those awardees at this evening's event, the DILG has your respect and ang aming pagsaludo. Kudos po sa lahat ng mga ma-awardan tonight. Thank you very much and good evening.
When the road is long, when you're feeling love, with every breath, don't forget how far you've come. When it's late at night, when you're all alone, I'll lift you up, I could be your helium. Your helium. I could be your helium.
Tonight, we honor not only what has already been accomplished, but the perseverance, humility, and dedication behind every policy decision, every ordinance, and every hour spent in service to our constituents. And so, with humility and conviction, I leave you with this commitment. Mga tugang, padagos kita sa pagserbisyo na may puso, may dignidad, asin may paglaom para sa mas marikas, mas magayon, mas maurag, asin progresibong Camarines Sur. Diyos maray na banggi. Diyos mamalos.